In this tutorial, we're going to talk about vector navigation. And so let's go ahead and solve the example. Solving a vector problem often involves finding a new vector for a diagram or real-life situation. You can work out a direct vector by taking a longer route along known vectors. You just need to find the vector steps that navigate you from start to the finish. So basically, we're going to have to be using some vectors that we already know in order to find new vectors. Here we have an example. The diagram shows two vectors, vector AB and vector AC, and we have their components as well. But the question is asking us to find vector BC. Now to find BC, we need to do that through calculating both vectors that are already at hand. We want to find vector BC. So our start point is B and the end point is C. So we go from B to A and then from A to C, and there we have our new vector BC. But one point that I would like to point out is that vector BA is not the same as vector AB since it has the opposite direction. So we say that vector BC is equal to vector BA plus vector AC, and BA is the same as minus AB vector. So that would be equal to minus AB vector plus vector AC. So vector AC minus vector AB. Now let's calculate that through the components. We have the coordinates 10 and 3 for the first vector, minus 7 and 13. Now for the new vector BC, it's going to have the x component 10 minus 7 and the y component 3 minus 13, which is 3 and minus 10 vector BC.